Mistplay rewards Android users for playing mobile games. But it does not pay everyone the same because earnings depend on your location, the games you install, how long you play, and which offers are available in your account. By the end of this video, you'll know who Mistplay makes sense for, who should skip it, and what to expect before you spend hours earning points. Here's the short answer. Mistplay is worth your time if you already enjoy trying new mobile games and you're happy earning gift cards over time. It is not a replacement for a part-time job, and it is not a fast cash app. The app works by recommending sponsored games. You install a game through Mistplay, play it while the app tracks your progress, and earn units that can later be exchanged for supported gift cards or rewards. Different games pay at different rates, and those rates can change without notice. The biggest mistake people make is expecting every hour to earn the same amount. That isn't how the platform works. Some games have generous reward rates when they're first added, while older offers may slow down after you've played for a while. Checking new game offers regularly usually gives you better earning opportunities than playing the same title for weeks. Another thing to understand is that available games depend on your country and your Android device. Two users can open Mistplay on the same day and see completely different game libraries. That also means your earning potential may look very different from someone posting screenshots online. If your goal is earning cash directly to a bank account, Mistplay probably isn't the best fit. If your goal is collecting gift cards while playing games you would have downloaded anyway, the app can provide extra value without changing your routine very much. To get the most from it, install games only through Mistplay, follow each game's reward requirements, keep your account information accurate, and avoid anything that could violate the platform's terms. Trying to manipulate gameplay or use unauthorized methods can put your account at risk. So, is Mistplay worth your time in 2026? For casual mobile gamers who enjoy discovering new games, yes, it can be a legitimate way to earn rewards gradually. For anyone expecting quick income or consistent hourly earnings, you'll probably be disappointed. The key points are simple. Mistplay rewards vary by user, game availability changes over time, and it's best treated as a bonus rather than a paycheck. If you're curious, try it for a short period. Redeem your first reward, and then decide whether the time investment makes sense for you. If this helped you, like the video and subscribe for more straightforward app comparisons and earning guides.